The wait is finally over. Nothing's big launch date has been revealed, and it might be bigger than anyone expected. For weeks, fans have been buzzing about Nothing OS 4, the company's next major software update. And now it looks like the mystery is finally being revealed. The beta testing is already underway on the Nothing Phone 3, and the update promises smoother animations, faster performance, and a cleaner, more minimal look built on Android 16. Everyone knew it was coming sometime between September and November, but now we have a strong clue about when the stable rollout will actually begin. At the same time, Nothing is building excitement on the hardware side too. The company has teased its next earbuds, the Nothing Open Ear 3, and just like always, the design is unlike anything else out there. The transparent aesthetic and bold accents instantly stand out in the overcrowded earbuds market, reminding people why Nothing products have that cult-like following. When you see this design, you know it's a Nothing device. And judging by the teasers, the company is once again sticking to its roots, making everyday tech look exciting and futuristic. By the way, what's your take on the Nothing Open Earbuds? Are they better than Apple? Feel free to share in the comments below. And if you want exclusive early leaks, behind-the-scenes news, and updates before anyone else, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel. The link is available in the description. Don't miss out, because the next few days are going to be very exciting. This is not the first time Nothing has combined a major software release with a hardware launch. Last year, we saw Nothing OS 3 arrive in September, right alongside the company's new open-ear buds. That timing worked perfectly, because it allowed Nothing to present itself not just as a phone maker, not just as an accessory brand, but as a complete ecosystem that blends software and hardware together in one vision. It was a strategy that worked, and this year, they might just be doing the same thing again. Now, think about the timing. On September 9th, Apple launched the iPhone 17 series. As always, Apple grabbed all the headlines, all the reviews, all the early buzz. But here's the clever part. Nothing doesn't want to fight Apple on the same day. Instead, it waits a little longer, until people are done reacting to Apple news, and then steps into the spotlight with its own announcement. That way, the attention is still hot, but the audience is ready for what's next. It's a smart way to share the global stage without being overshadowed. And now comes the big reveal. In a recent teaser, Nothing shared a teaser photo of Open Ear 3 on its X account with a message September 18th. That's the day Nothing will host its next big event. If you connect the dots, it makes perfect sense. Nothing Ear 3 is ready, Nothing OS 4 is moving from beta to stable, and last year's pattern already set into motion. September 18th could very well be the day when both the new software and the new earbuds arrive together. So, the pieces all fit. A major OS upgrade, fresh hardware, a teaser with a date, and perfect timing just after Apple's event. Nothing is clearly lining up for a big move. The question is, will they officially confirm OS 4 on that stage alongside the Ear 3? Or will they surprise us with something even more? What do you think Nothing has planned for September 18th? Share your thoughts in the comments. We would love to know your take on this. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.